Hello. Present value and future value of money. The value of money changes with time. The value which we have today in present will not be same in the future or was not same in the past. For instance, I bought a perfume at rupees 50 5 years ago, but today the price of the same perfume is 70 rupees and it will be something else in the future. It could be anything. It could be 90, 100, 110. We can't say about that. So, we see from this example that 5 years ago the present value of the perfume was 50 rupees and its 50 future value was 70 rupees. But today the present value is 70 rupees and future value we don't know. It could be anything like 90, 100, 110, etc. So, we see from this example that the value of money is increasing day by day. Let's say that we have 1000 rupees and we can buy 5 articles in that 1000 rupees. But if we want to buy in future from those 1000 rupees, it might be possible that we will be able to buy only 2 or 3 articles in that 1000 rupees. So we see that the value has increased. If we want to buy the same number of articles, then we will have to increase the amount of money, or else if we don't want to increase the amount of money, we will have to decrease the number of articles. So from these two examples, we see that the value of money increases day by day and the value never remains same like in present or in future. The value which is in present will never be same in the future, and the value which is now in present was not same in the past. The value which was in past, it has increased and came in present, and again it will increase and it will go in future. So this is the time value of money that increases day by day. Thank you.